Let's make a cinnamon daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. One ounce of your cinnamon syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And your lime juice. My wife likes 1 ounce of lime juice in hers. I like 3/4 of an ounce. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. I'll leave it up to you which you do. Add your ice and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. If you have an Ancestral coupe, feel free to use that or any coupe of your choice. Garnish. It is a daiquiri, so a lime wheel is very appropriate. I'm not going to be garnishing today. I'm going to drink it as is. So there you have it. A cinnamon daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.